Hello my dear student. In today's science class, we will discuss about chapter number 5, grouping materials of different kinds. Learning objectives are different kinds of material around us, and the second one, properties of materials. First we discuss different kind of materials around us. Now children, first you look in your study room. You may find a chair, a table, a tube light, fan, book racks, book, bags, etc. Now you look around in your bedroom. You may find bed, chair, table, cupboard, clothes, etc. Now you look in your kitchen. You may find utensils, gas oven, cylinders, raw food materials, water, milk, spices, etc. Now, if you look outside of your house, you may find different kinds of living and non-living things. Now, children, what do you understand from all these observations? You will understand that there are different type of things or material around us. Some of these are living, some of are non-living. Some are different shapes, different color, and their uses are also different. Now children, our next topic is grouping of materials or things. Things and materials are kept or grouped together for convenience. Grouping helps us to locate a particular thing. Now there is a long list of material around us. So there has to be a systematic way to grouping all of them or classify them. Clear? Now the another topic, classification. Classification means the process of sorting out and grouping things according to some basis of criteria is called classification. Now, why classification are need, or what are the advantages of classification? Classification helps to locating things conveniently, sorting of similar and dissimilar things, easy and more meaningful study, and also identification. It means on the basis of their size, on color or shape and uses. Clear children? Now our next topic, properties of materials. We can use different things according to our requirement and according to their properties. The properties of materials make them suitable for particular use. A few properties of materials are appearance, hardness, soluble or insoluble, density and transparency. Now children, our first properties is appearance. Appearance means some materials appear too shiny or are lustrous while others are dull. Here take an example. Here this metal spoon is appear too shiny, but this wooden scale looks dull. Now children, our second property is hardness. It means some materials cannot be pressed with hands or cut easily. Such materials are hard, like this pen. This pen is too hard. And material which can be compressed with hands or cut easily are known as soft material, like this cotton. This cotton can easily compressed with your hand. Okay children? Now here is an extra information for you children. Diamond is the hardest substance. It is used to cut glass. Now our third property is soluble or insoluble. If a substance dissolved or mixes completely in water, it is said to be soluble substance. Here example is water and salt. Here I am taking a glass of water and I am going to add a salt. Now I am stir it and you observe the salt, soon it disappears. So we can say salt is soluble substance. Now next, insoluble, if the substance does not dissolve at all, it is said to be insoluble substance. Again I am taking a glass of water and mix some sand in it and going to stir. And children, observe this sand does not mix with this water. So we can say sand is insoluble substance. Okay children. Properties number 4, density. Density means density is the degree to which a substance is dense. Now when two materials such as a solid and a liquid are put together, the less dense material floats above the more dense material. Now children, take another example. I am taking a glass of water and a piece of thermocol. Now what you observe? That this thermocol is float on this water because the density of the thermocol is less than this water. Clear? Now come to the next. The more dense substance sink and settle down. If the density of the material, now I am taking a coin and now what you observe? That this coin is going down and sink and settle down because the density of the coin is more than this water. Clear? Now our last properties, transparency. Transparency, it means the feature of a material to let light pass through it. Based on this feature, we can divide the material into 3 categories. First, transparent material. Second, translucent materials. And third one, opaque materials. Now first, transparent material. Material through which we can see clearly are called transparent material. It means it pass all the light properly, like this plastic. Next, translucent material through which we can see only partially are called translucent. It means here light passes partially, like this plastic. You can see it. Okay. Next, opaque material. Material through which we cannot see at all are called opaque material, like this. Okay, this is opaque material because this book cannot pass light at all. One more information for you children. We can see different things around us because of air. Air is also a transparent. Hope it is clear to you all.